Immerse yourself in the Word of God like never before. Join these distinguished degree holders. Explore their secrets of faith. Experience renewed spiritual excitement as you learn vital truths you will use the rest of your life.
All the years I've been in the ministry, my respect and honor for Christian education has grown and grown and grown until today.
I'm honored to be an LCU graduate. It is an institute of excellence, and I'm thrilled to see how God is expanding it so quickly around the world. There's such a need today for intelligent, well-informed Christians who not only know what they're talking about, but can also relate to people. The world needs to hear the truth, and the truth has to be real.
One of the very most precious moments of my life was when I received my doctorate from Life Christian University. It's something that's very dear to my heart, seeing believers well educated in the Word of God.
Get the education you've always wanted as you are prepared and equipped for your own supernatural destiny. Take that step of faith, begin the journey, and see what God will do with your life.